So now at IWA we are at Vesta Arms with Monsieur Borit. Monsieur Borit, please explain what we are seeing in front of us here.
So hello, so first of all we have the PDW50, the first model of gun for self-defense we propose. So it's a 6-shot gun, it's use gas, CO2, it's a 12-gram cartridges. To reload, you just pull up the spring, put the weapon, put the bullets in there, and then you're good. And this is the second model we proposed. This is the Sentinel. The Sentinel is pretty much the same. We just took out everything that was useless, made a better grip. We put a little thing to screw new attachments, such as a suppressor.
It should also give some more accuracy if you have a hollow clip.
The suppressor is to augment the power of the gun. For the other attachments we have our famous flash loader. The flash loader is, we put it right under. It can contain 6 more bullets in there. The specialty of the flash loader is because it's super fast. You just gotta do exactly how you reload. When you're out of ammo, you just pull back the spring, use gravity, turn it back, and in 1 second you reload. And ready to shoot.
So basically you can have 12 bullets on it.
Exactly, 12 bullets, because the 12-gram cartridges can shoot about 12 to 15. That's when you use with the French legislation that goes to up to 20 joules. So it's perfect, 12 shots for a 12-shot cartridge. When you put the cartridge, there's a plug so that when it's not always in action, when you want to use the gun, you just gotta pop the plug inside. It's gonna open the cartridge, and then you're gonna have a pin in the back that's gonna pop out. That's to make sure you know when the chamber is full and it's ready to fire.
That is highly practical.
Exactly.
And also for those not living in Germany, we also got some additional aids here, right?
Yep. So here we have the laser, just a simple laser. You gotta screw up. You can put under here. Then you got a flashlight. Flashlight. This one is 500 lumen with strobo, easily enough to blind someone in the dark.
Yes.
Here is the crossover. The crossover is just the flashlight with the laser. This one has a lower lumen. This one is about 350 lumen. And then for the special product we have,
for those who don't have these options for accuracy,
this is the carbine kits. The carbine kits is called Spear. So this for now is a prototype. The specialty with our prototype is that we have a flash loader integrated in there.
Yes.
We got a glass breaker. Right now it's plastic, but in the future it's going to be steel. The Spear carbine kit can fit the Sentinel and the PDW. So there's no problem on that. You get another additional railing on the bottom, a railing on the top for a scope. And that's exactly why when you can find the flash loader and your laser is under.
Where are we going with the price tags on one and on the Triari?
So for now we don't really have a price tag for the Spear carbine kit, since it's just a prototype. But for the public, the PDW50 is about 120 euros. Okay. The Sentinel is a new product, so we're not exactly sure for the price of the product, but it's going to be about 30 euros more. And, that's the price tag we're going to try to go for. And then
we got a wide range of ammunition as well.
Of course, now we're gonna go for the wide range of ammunition. Yep. So we got 8 type of different ammo. So we got the chalk clouds. We got opaque casing and crystal casing. That's just for aesthetic. It doesn't change anything. So the chalk is mainly used for training. We got pepper. So pepper, so exactly the same, opaque and crystal. The pepper is for, like a pepper spray, but for to use at a distance.
On impact, yes.
On impact. And then we got other balls, ammunition. We got rubber. Rubber is just a rubber ball, classic for training. But this is, do not get deceived. In the French version, this will hurt a lot. We got polybreaker, which is made of plastic, and then we got 2 different. This is the steel core and the Quicksilver. The Quicksilver is a little bit lighter than the steel core. The steel core is 4.9 grams and the Quicksilver is 3.8. So depending on the ammunition you're gonna use, the joule is gonna depend. So since we're a French company and the limit in France is 20 joules,
yes.
when you use the rubber balls, you get about 14 joules of power. But with the steel core, which is the more powerful one, you'll get about 19 joules.
And we also got some possibilities for the German market with the 7.5.
Exactly. So in Germany, it's 7.5, such as like Belgium or Italy. So we just lower the joule outputs, and we can do it for any countries, even for countries who don't have legislation and no limits. We can go over using, like we told, the power augmenter, which is the suppressor.
Where are we talking in regards of range for the steel with 7.5 roundabout?
So it can go and hit up to 30 meters, but the optimal range, I would say, for the steel core would be about 15 to 12 meters. But since it's made for self-defense mainly, and actually it's most just self-defense, indoors you're never gonna go over those distances. So
while on the other hand, outdoors you have like the double distance of the jeweler drill.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So and that's pretty much it for our product. A lot of different attachments, 2 different weapons, a carbine kit that can fit the 2 gun.
Thank you very much for the elaborations. Keep up the good work.
Thank you very much.